customer when they need a welding procedure, and then we say, okay, this will be done by qualified welders, and here you see how they build up the weld when you have a different shape, because you like to measure the pipe, and you do like to measure the air between the pipe and your weld block or V-pad or whatever it is. So you like to measure real the pipe. So they must do it on a proper way. And in some cases they ask us to come over for supervising. And in that case we come over and we explain the welder how they must do the first welding, and they do some tests, because it must be a qualified welder, because you have to do with the pipe material, which mostly common use is P1 or P5. And this weld block or V-pad can be, let's say, from stainless steel or Hastelloy. So you must be qualified to do those weldings. But if the customers prefer more information about it, we will support it. And one of the most important things is here you see your thermocouple. And that's here also inside you see your thermocouple, which you cannot see because it's welded, but that's how it works in a practical way. So you must try to get those two wires at the pipeline. These are typically constructions. This is a standard weld pad. This is what I mentioned. V-type, vent-type, knife edge. I don't mention that, but there are so many names on it, but it's only in the shape of a knife, of a V or a vent. That's it. And you see, you must do more welding, you must fill it more. We prefer in some cases a weld block, flat type, easier to weld, less problems with